10 questions you should never ever ask at the end of a job interview. The competition in the market have increased considerably. Every interview attended by a job seeker is very important from his or her point of career aspect. Towards the end of an interview, almost every employer will ask, do you have any questions for me? Ask questions, but make sure that they are the right ones, as it can leave the interviewer with a bad impression of you. There are also so many do's and don'ts for all kinds of interview, irrespective of the domain, especially when it comes to the end of the interview, where the job seeker gets a chance to speak out. It is very crucial to know how to take the end smoothly. An interview should always have a positive ending. The first question we should never ever ask, did I get the job? These questions make the interviewee appear impatient. I heard this rumor about the CEO. Is it true? You should never bring gossip into job interview. It's highly unprofessional. What are the benefits like? It's better to save this question for the end of the process when it is more clear that you will receive the job offer. What does your company do? Questions like this will make you look unprepared. These questions demonstrate that you have not done your research beforehand on the company. Do you monitor emails on internet usage? This question will raise red flags, something you won't want to do in the interview. Do you check social media accounts? Asking whether employees will check accounts raise huge red flags for the company. You may wonder if a candidate will be a threat to the company's image. Will I have to work long hours? Questions about hours and extra work imply that you are hoping to work as little as possible. That's a wrong impression. What happens if I don't get along with my boss or coworkers? The interviewer may assume that you are difficult to work with. How quickly could I be considered for a promotion? This question implies that you are not interested in the position for which you are applying, and that you are merely waiting to move on to something better. Focus on the job in hand. And finally, how soon can I get a vacation or take a vacation? Asking about time off before getting a job offer implies that you are not going to be a fully committed employee. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.